Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter on a Cub Cadet Enduro Series lawn tractor. So this is my XT1 LT 46. It has the Kohler 7000 Series 23 horsepower engine, and this is the fuel filter right here. You should replace this every 50 hours. It's a pretty easy job, so let's get into it. So to do this job, I bought the Kohler 7000 Series engine maintenance kit. I got this right off Cub Cadet's website. I'll put a link below the video if you want to check it out. But this fits all these Kohler 7000 Series engines from 20 to 26 horsepower, and this is the way to get the best bang for your buck, just buying it all together. It comes with the oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, and your spark plugs. And here is the fuel filter out of that kit, and probably the most important thing you want to notice with this is that it says flow right here with an arrow pointing that way. So you want to install this with the gas tank on this side and the carburetor on that side. That way this is filtering your gas as it goes from the gas tank to the engine. The first thing I did was remove the hood just to make it easier to film and to show you what I'm doing. This makes maintenance a lot easier, just gets it out of the way. If you want to watch my video on how to remove the hood, I'll put a link in the corner of the screen right now. So what we're going to be doing is disconnecting the fuel line from both sides of this fuel filter. Now when you do that, obviously there's going to be gas coming from the gas tank that's just going to pour out of this side of the fuel line. So what you can do is use what's called pinch off pliers. This makes the job a lot easier. I'll put a link below the video in the description if you want to check some of those out. You can also install a shutoff valve right here in your fuel line. That makes it pretty easy too. But what I'm doing is just using a pair of vice grips and an old rag and just pinching off this side of that fuel line. The rag is just so I don't damage that fuel line, and that's going to stop all this gas from pouring out while I'm replacing this. Now I'll still probably get a little spillage, you always do with this job, so if you want to put down a piece of cardboard or a pan or something like that, you can, but this just makes it a little bit cleaner. So I'm just going to take some pliers and squeeze these clamps and slide it back off of the fuel filter. Then I'll do the other side. Then you're going to slide the line off of both sides of the fuel filter. I'll warn you, these can be kind of stuck sometimes. It definitely helps to use two hands and kind of twist the line. Very stuck on there. So you're going to get a little bit of leakage out of the filter as you see there, but we're not leaking out of this side of our fuel line because we have that vice grip on there. So again, it says flow that way. The arrow is pointing to the left, so you want your gas tank on the right and the carburetor on the left. So get that on there as far as you can, then we're just going to move our clamps back over the fuel filter. So there I took off the vice grip so gas can get through the line again. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a test start and just make sure we're all working. And that's it, old filter out, new one in. Hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.